Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about basic elements of Python. So first element of Python programming is variable. So variables are used to store data or values. You can assign a value to a variable by using equal sign. Here x and names are variable. Next one is data types. Python supports various data types including integer, float, string, booleans and many more. For example, x equal to 10. 10 is integer value. Y equal to 3.14. 3.14 is a decimal value, so we can say this is a float value. Name equal to John. John is string value. And C equal to true. True is a boolean value. Next is operators. Python supports various operators such as arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and many more. We all know about arithmetic operators, but in Python we have to know comparison operators as well as logical operators. Next is control structures. Python has several control structures such as if-else statements, for loop, while loop, and many more. Control structure creates a block with colon symbol. This structure helps you to control the flow of execution in your program. In this following example, we can see that there is a colon, and after that colon, the indentation of the line has been changed. So this is called block. Now functions. Functions are the way to group of a set of instructions that perform a specific task. You can define a function by using def keyword. For example, def greet. So greet is a function here. And the last not least, Python has vast library of modules that you can use to extend its functionality. You can import a module by using import keywords as follows. So these are just some of basic elements of Python. Next we will discuss how to write a Python program. Thank you for watching.